today we're going to talk about the myGMC rewards. So exciting. So go ahead and hit on the myGMC app. You can also use the myChevy app, the myBuick app. They all connect. You use the same email and login information. Go ahead and click the reward points there. And once it loads, the three dots up on the top right hand corner, redeem points. And then you're going to select which option you want to use it for. You can choose service, sales, accessories. So we're going to go ahead and choose accessories for today. And once that loads, go ahead and hit learn more and redeem. And then scroll up. And you can have the option there on that drop box to select $5, $10, $15. It just depends on how many points you have. That's the dollar amount you'll choose. Don't forget, once you hit redeem now, that voucher for that dollar amount expires in 30 days. So you just want to go ahead and redeem it at the time you're going to be using it. It's really simple. You earn 6 points for every dollar spent here at the dealership as well for sales, parts, and accessories. So you're redeeming and you're earning at the same time. We're so happy and excited to help you walk you through this process. Call us if you have any questions.